Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two fantastic cameras, the Panasonic LUMIX G100 and the Canon EOS R7. We will dive into their features, performance, and much more. So let's get started. Let's begin with the price. The Panasonic LUMIX G100 is priced at $749, while the Canon EOS R7 comes at a higher price point of $1,899. Both cameras excel in capturing stunning images and videos. The Panasonic LUMIX G100 offers exceptional performance with crystal-clear 4K photo and video capabilities. Its advanced audio system ensures high-quality sound recording. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R7 is built with a powerful Digic X image processor, ensuring sharp photos and ultra-high-definition videos. With its 32.5 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, the images appear crisp and vibrant. When it comes to lens compatibility, the Panasonic LUMIX G100 utilizes the Micro Four Thirds system and can be used with all LUMIX lenses, offering versatility for any adventure. It comes with a 20 to 32mm lens included. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R7 features the RFS 18 to 150mm lens, which can be easily attached with a compatible RF mount. It also has full-range lens capability, supporting EFS, EF, RF, and the new RFS mounts. Both cameras offer excellent connectivity options. The Panasonic LUMIX G100 can be easily connected to your computer for web calls, live streams, and interviews to ensure a professional and crisp appearance. It also comes with features such as frame marker for social media aspect ratios, facial recognition, and blur-free dual image stabilization. The Canon EOS R7 operates using a Canon LPE6NH battery pack and features a vibrant LED screen for clear image viewing. Additionally, it offers 5-axis image stabilization for enhanced shake correction. And there you have it. Both the Panasonic LUMIX G100 and the Canon EOS R7 are incredible cameras, each with its own standout features. The LUMIX G100 provides exceptional versatility and advanced audio capabilities, while the Canon EOS R7 offers sharp image quality and impressive lens compatibility. It ultimately comes down to your personal needs and preferences. Please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.